Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 5 best blender for protein shakes. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 5 on the list is Blendtec Professional Blender. Calling all the early birds. If you're the first in the house to wake up and are known to make a ruckus in the kitchen, look no further than the Blendtec Professional 800 Blender. Blendtec's sound enclosure system enables the machine to operate quietly so conversations can still be exchanged at a normal volume and you won't disturb the whole house while blending up breakfast. The accompanied BPA-free Eastman Triton copolyester Wildside Plus jar has a capacity of 90 ounces with measurements listed up to 36 ounces. The intuitive interface features an 11-speed touch bar menu with 6 pre-programmed blend cycles and an LED display, giving users full control over the precision and speed of the enclosed contents. Simply slide your finger up or down to adjust the speed. This 1800-watt blender measures 8.5 x 9.13 x 17.25 inches and weighs 16.2 pounds. The number 4 on the list is Vitamix ONE Black. One of Vitamix's more affordable options, the One was designed to celebrate the brand's 100th anniversary. An ideal blender if you don't have a lot of counter space to spare. It features an Hercules-like design that rivals bulkier options. Its base's built-in handles make for smooth portability, whether you're bringing it on vacation or moving it around the kitchen. The Vitamix One does come with its limitations. With a speed dial and only one function, it doesn't have specific settings like crush, puree, grind, or dice. And while it can whip up smoothies, dips, cocktails, and frozen treats, it's not suited for hot liquids, nut butters, or grains. It boils down to your favorite meals and beverages and what you intend to use the blender for. The number 3 on the list is Vitamix Blender. The Vitamix is so much more than a typical blender. It makes everything from smoothies and juices to piping hot soups, ground nut butters, freshly churned ice cream, and kneaded dough. The Vitamix 5200 blender is a top pick among juice connoisseurs because it can blend and perform whole food juicing. For the thinnest consistency, users can run the juice through a filtration bag or strainer to remove excess pulp. For optimal nutrition, Vitamix recommends leaving the pulp in as it's full of dietary fiber. The Vitamix 5200 blender features variable speeds that allow for full control of your favorite blended food and beverages texture and thickness. Additionally, one of the many highlights of this model is the 1-minute self-cleaning function. With just 1 drop of dish soap, the machine will clean itself, no breakdown or dishwasher necessary. The number 2 on the list is Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. The Hamilton Beach Personal Blender is a go-to for on-the-go smoothies and protein shakes without breaking the bank or taking over precious counter space. This simple one-button operation is easy to use and ideal for simple drink recipes. Just press down and blend. The 175-watt motor and stainless steel blades easily crush ice for smoothies and icy beverages. The included BPA-free 14-ounce blending jar doubles as a to-go cup with a portable lid so you can blend and be on your way. This one-speed personal blender is perfect for the office or gym. Fill the cup with fruits and veggies in the morning and blend and enjoy at your convenience. This compact unit measures 11.8 x 3.94 x 3.94 inches and weighs 1.8 pounds. The number 1 on the list is Vitamix Explorian Blender. The Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender is our top choice because it is the Swiss Army knife of the kitchen. It truly does it all. From creating rich and velvety protein shakes with freshly ground nut butters to healthy soups and sauces, the Vitamix is an easy way to make various crave-worthy dishes, including protein shakes. The 48-ounce container is made from BPA-free Eastman Triton copolyester and fits under most cabinets, ideal for those cooking for one or making small family meals. This blender features a variable 10-speed control knob enabling users to craft their ideal texture. The added pulse feature adds quick bursts of power when needed. The Vitamix's stainless steel blades reach high Enough speeds that the friction alone can heat a soup in approximately 6 minutes.